Enabling two-factor authentication on Sellbrite adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Log into your Sellbrite account. Start by logging into your Sellbrite account using your username and password. Ensure that you have access to your account before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select Security Settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use iSROP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Find the option to enable two-factor authentication. Click on it, and you may be prompted to enter your phone number or email address where you will receive the authentication codes. Step 5. Verify and save changes. After entering your contact information, you will receive a verification code. Enter this code to confirm your setup. Once verified, make sure to save your changes to activate two-factor authentication. Now your Sellbrite account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Always remember to keep your contact information up to date to avoid any access issues in the future.